As of NCSimil 2023.1, you are now able to manage any resources from your NCSimil projects without using a license. Simply install the NCSimil Resource Manager alongside NCSimil, and you will have access to this functionality. When launched, NCSimil will scan and verify that you do have an active license, but then it will not pull it and leave it free for another user to utilize. Once inside, from an environment, manage any machine digital twins you have, including creating, modifying, and importing/exporting. Create, modify, upgrade tool libraries, which is a huge benefit if you're creating a master library for a particular machine with many tools. One step further, you can then create, modify, and store tool magazine configurations. And finally, manage your setups, create them from scratch, modify existing ones, and store your NCS setup files. If you have an existing project already, you can consult that with the same capabilities and the use of the measurement tools. Additionally, you can manage your current work environment information to verify where your projects and data are stored. And finally, create and monitor tasks with the automation module, providing you with a report of the process results. These are all ways to free up licenses of NCSimil and allow the most users possible to utilize the software simultaneously.